at TFL Car. I'm here at Colorado Springs Airport at the base of Pikes Peak in beautiful Colorado, and we're here at the Pikes Peak Airstrip Attack. Ha! Behind me, I've got some of the cars that are going to be running today. You know, just your regular commuter cars, a GTR, a Ford GT, Lexus LFA, and an Audi R8. I mean, just your regular cars that you see every day. But we'll see these guys and more supercars out here on the Airstrip coming up on the Fast Lane Car.
Welcome to the first ever Pikes Peak Airstrip Attack. You should be very proud of yourselves to be here, because hopefully this is going to become a very big thing every year, and we're going to keep it going. The only way we can do that is if no one crashes and no one dies today. So if you could just not do that, that would be great.
That car right there, he's got back.
The car's a 2007 CTSV. Started off naturally aspirated, 400 horsepower at the crank. Naked PEP Racing built the entire car. Started off, we did a twin turbo setup underneath the car. He made 780 on that. That's when I first met him. And basically after meeting him and seeing everything he could do, the car's progressed. I got it in October 2012, and now you see it here. It's a full race motor, fully custom turbo setup, front mounted, 101 millimeter. Made 1170 at the wheels on 20 pounds. Has a lot more in it, but we just stopped there. No need to turn it up anymore for this kind of event. We'll just put it up in smoke either way. So.
This is a half-mile event.
Yep.
Right? And what do you expect? I mean, do you have any expectations,
well,
or what are you trying to do?
The variable is going to be the road surface, and trying to hook up on that. So, if I can get it to hook up decently, I'm expecting, 180, 190, hopefully, in the standing half mile, and then from the roll, hoping we can eclipse the 200 mark.
came off the showroom floor as a regular GT500, but it's had the Super Snake. Try saying that 5 times fast. It has a Super Snake package put onto it, which now makes up 914 horsepower. This is crazy. I'm pretty sure I like this one. What's your name?
Liam.
Liam, and are you going to be a race car driver when you grow up? I think so, because you were hauling butt in this thing. What's your favorite car here? That one right there? Who's driving that?
Dad.
Dad's driving it. Awesome. All right, Liam. Well, listen, stay safe out there, okay? Awesome time today at the Pikes Peak Airstrip Attack. We had our eardrums blown out by all these turbos, all these V10s, V12s. It was awesome. I mean, check it out. Whoa!
Give me the number.
So thanks so much for hanging out with us. We really appreciate it. Check us out on tflcar.com for more real world reviews. Thanks for watching.